Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Artist, and today we are going to see a beautiful pricing page using Next.js TypeScript. Okay, so without any wastage of timing, let's see what we are going to see today. I will show you. Okay, I have already opened it to avoid any wastage of timing. Okay, and see the effect of animation, and I kept its trial pack, so I kept its size means less size as compared to that premium plan. You can say it Swagget plan. Okay, and here I kept only two cards. You can just copy and paste this code for multiples of time. Like if you want a 3 card, 4 pricing card, you can make those also. So, okay, just copy and paste the code multiple times, you will get that number of card. Okay, and see these effects, see these icons. For icons I'm using SVG icons. If you want to use any other icons, you can use that. That's your choice. Okay, and this code is totally responsive. I will show you responsiveness also in the mobile view. See it is vertically in the mobile view. Okay, and that's looking nice. I kept this color, gradient color. Just customize it according to your project, according to your requirements. Change its color, change its design, change the text, everything you can change according to your project. Okay, and I will show you the code part also. And guys, if you think I'm providing some good content to you, so please support my channel. I need your support to continue my work. Okay, I will show you the code. I've already opened the code also. Here is the code. Okay, and see the code. It's totally a JSF code. It's not a big task, not to. It is not a complex code. So that I explain. It's very simple code. Okay, and I'm using SVG icons. Okay, and here is the image. You can use those according to your requirements of the project. Okay, and here I commented out the CSS file. So just comment it out and paste it in your project. Okay, and that's not a big code. That's very small code. Okay, and guys, if you think you can create this by yourself, that's good. You will learn a lot of things. Otherwise you have a shortage of timing, and if you are feeling any difficulty, I'm ready to help you in a minimal amount of only 5 rupees. Just pay me only 5 rupees for my work, for my hard work, for my continuity, and I will provide you the source code file on the WhatsApp or any other platform. Okay, that's okay for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for everyone. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.